Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can leave a team on Homescapes account. Keep watching the video till the end. To leave a team on Homescapes, firstly go ahead and launch open your Homescapes application. The home page of Homescapes application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on play button. On the next page, tap on crown icon at the bottom left corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on Team's profile and then tap on Leave. Confirm leaving of a team by tapping on Yes. This is how you can leave a team on Homescapes account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.